Today while camping, we're making skillet pizza, one of our favorite meals. This pizza can be made while camping or at home, and the recipe works for camp stoves, oven fire, barbecue, or even your stove at home. You will want to start by prepping all of your pizza toppings. Today we're having spicy chorizo sausage, mozzarella, and chipotle cheddar pizza. And I'll be cooking the pizza with our Coleman camp stove today. While camping, we have a limited kitchen, and I choose not to bring a cheese grater on the road, so I just chop up the cheese and it works perfectly. Once you have all your toppings prepped, set them aside. You want to begin with the cool pan. If you're cooking over a fire or barbecue, you'll want to start them earlier so that they're good and hot, but keep your pan out of the heat. If you're using a stove, just start it when you're ready for the dough, setting it to medium-high heat. This pizza cooks great in a cast iron skillet or a non-stick pan. This dough is so easy and fast. There's no kneading or waiting for the dough to rise. You just mix all the ingredients together, add water, and cook. You can buy self-rising flour or just make your own easily. I like to make it ahead of time and store it so I have it ready when I need it. I like to meal prep by pre-mixing all the dough ingredients for one pizza and then storing it in a Ziploc bag. When I'm making dough, I make a bunch of bags at a time and save them. That way, I always have dough when I'm ready to make pizza. Pour all your dough ingredients into your skillet. Add water and mix thoroughly. A whisk would be great for this step, but I don't have one in my camp kitchen. You want to mix out any lumps and finish with a smooth paste-like consistency. Next, add the pizza sauce and spread it evenly over the top of the dough. Since your pan is on, your dough will be starting to set and thicken a little, so the sauce should just stay right on top. Next comes the cheese. I know this is always a great debate. Do you like the cheese first with toppings on top of the cheese, or do you prefer toppings with cheese on top? Let me know in the comments how you like your pizza. Once you're finished topping your pizza, cover tightly with a lid or aluminum foil and cook for about 5 minutes. Then you're going to check on your pizza and continue to cook for about 10 more minutes, venting the lid or foil to let the steam escape. Cook time will vary a little depending on your heat source, so make sure you keep an eye on it. Your pizza will be done when the bottom crust is brown and crispy, and the cheese on top is well melted. If you like a little crispier crust, let it cook a little bit longer, or turn the heat up a little bit for the last few minutes. We love this pizza. It's a cross between deep dish and regular dish pizza. Soft and chewy dough on the inside with a crispy bottom. And of course, loads of ooey gooey cheese. Follow our camping adventures. We're currently driving our SUV equipped with a rooftop tent all the way from Canada to Nicaragua. Join us and our 2 bulldogs, Tigger and Penelope, for an adventure of a lifetime. I'm Tovah, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next amazing adventure.